has done something, comrades, for me. He's on a sexuality in jail. A phosphorus. Epsu. Without bodyguards. I didn't give him money for petrol. I didn't ask him. He came on his own, including here. Now, here stands two comrades who, like content, they will say you, hey, Ushomagalazi politic. They say that. But when you look at results, I say differently. They say comrade to do Zanagalazi politic. But when you look at results, they are different. Comrade Duduzane has been baptized with fire, comrade. Comrades, ngicela ukukhipha 10,000 njengamanje. Ngizonike umuntu oyedwa. Lalela ungajaha. Umuntu oyedwa ngizomnika lo 10,000 ufuna ngizomtshela la ukuthi yayinjani ibheki eyayiphethe imali yamagupta. Angitshela olike yaphuma kanjani imali yamagupta yana kuZuma. Okay, ngizibe lula ke. Imalini eyasuka kumagupta yana kuZuma. Awuyahamba nge 10,000.